Have you ever found yourself thinking, I would love to go to South Korea, and it would be great if I flew there in first class, and it would be even better if I did it nearly for free? Well, guess what? That's exactly what we're talking about. Let's get it. Alright, so finally, after being on the road for weeks, we're about to hop on our last flight of the trip on Korean first class. Let's check it out. So for the longest time, Chase points would transfer to Korean Airways, but unfortunately they stopped doing that. And that sucks, because points transferred from Chase to Korean SkyPass at a 1-to-1 ratio, it was fast and it was a relatively easy process. But despite that, there's still a few other ways to book this ticket. So to start off, it's important to know that the Korean SkyPass program prices their awards into peak and off-season dates. To get the best bang for your buck, you're going to want to travel during that off-season. Flights between North America and Korea come in at just 80,000 miles for a first-class flight. Now that Chase points no longer transfer, there's really only two options to consider for earning SkyPass miles. Number one is going to be transferring over from Marriott, utilizing the oh-so-beloved transfer bonus. The other option is going to be a Visa signature card through US Bank. Now, the standard public sign-up bonus for this card is going to be around 30,000 miles, which isn't great, but I've seen targeted offers up to 50,000 miles. It's also important to note that these aren't going to be as flexible as your Marriott points, so you really want to only go this option if you're for sure going to book a Korean Air flight. And one of the best parts about the booking process was that the availability, both in terms of frequency of dates and number of seats, was really good compared to other airlines. So if you want to go to South Korea, maybe hit up a baseball game, play with some raccoons, or just have some banging food, there's no better way than flying with Korean Air. And just remember, I'm an average everyday person just like you, and if it wasn't for points and miles, I wouldn't be doing this. So if you've dreamed of taking a trip like this, I have no doubt that if you stick around and hang out with the 10X community, you'll get there in no time.